So one thing that is across our entire front load and laundry tower lineup is our Electrolux laundry washers and dryers both feature reversible doors. Something that I think a lot of consumers expect is that they can get the door in any kind of configuration. And while that's true for dryers, because it's a very easy thing to control and operate, washers are a lot more difficult. And that's why we were one of the first and still one of the only ones out there in the market that this washer door can be reversed. Some customers really just truly expect that that is part of getting a new washer and dryer unit, is I can get the door to swing the way I want to and fit the space I need to. That's not always the case. And so unfortunately, you might have situations where the doors are opening onto each other and you're banging one into the other. So it's really great that they are able to both be reversed and put it right up against a wall. Don't have to worry about banging into it. But especially when they're stacked or in this tower design, being able to have the doors open and swing the same way is huge.
Also, like, that's an accessibility thing too. One of my biggest takeaways is like all these little design features, a lot of them do have roots in accessibility too, and I love that.
Right. No, for sure.